Hello kids! Do you want to see Ella prepare her own tuna sandwich spread? How do you keep close watch when your small grandkids are left under your care? Kumusta po kayo? Ako po si Eleanor Banzuela, Hutton. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanood ng aking mga videos. Sa aking 200 plus na subscribers, maraming salamat po. At sa mga kasamahan natin na bago pa lang po sa aking channel, hello, Miss Grace. Nasaan na po si baby? It's playtime. Please subscribe and tap the bell for more notifications. Do like and share my videos.
Meow! Hello everyone! My name is Chio. My name is Ella. Today we are gonna prepare tuna raisin sandwich spread. Ingredients are tuna, mayonnaise, pickles, and raisins. And today we're gonna mix them in the bowl with a spoon. Mix them in the bowl. First, the pickles. Ella, kalahati. Okay, ganito mo at saka iulit mo yung iba. Okay? Huwag yung ito lang. Ay, sorry. Okay lang. Okay, next, the raisins. Okay. Next na lang. Ay, nadikit. Okay, Ella, yung raisins na. Raisins na, Ella. Raisins. Yung iba lang ha, hindi lahat. Kalahati lang. I think that's enough. Or I don't know. Okay, next, the mayonnaise. Ella, the mayonnaise is so hard. The mayonnaise is so hard. The mayonnaise is so hard. Oh, it's not hard. Okay. Hindi na, ay, naalis. Okay. Ah! Yum. Okay. Okay, so, it's like this. Okay, so I'm gonna mix them all in. Lagay mo na muna dyan. Wow, this is yummy.
I think maybe you can add more mayonnaise on that one because it looks very.
Okay.
You can put all the mayonnaise.
Okay. Put all the mayonnaise. I'll help Ella.
Okay. Don't be messy. Put everything in there. Including
Everything?
all the mayonnaise. Put the mayonnaise there.
Even these and these.
Later, probably. Just put all the mayonnaise.
This. And mix it.
Yes. Put them all, Ella. Put them all.
Woohoo! Is that
Okay. I think you can put everything in there.
everything?
All of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
After that.
Including the pickles and the raisins.
Okay,
Put them all.
I'll just ulit.
Okay. Pour them all. Pour everything. Everything. No residues. Nothing in it. All. It means simut.
Mix. Mix.
O ayusin, hawakan. Fix them.
It is good.
Okay, is it done? Is it the way you mix? Mix it well. We mix it well.
Like this?
So you can try having the crackers. Nako, don't use that anymore. Does it taste good? Okay, do not use. Ay, nako, everybody's eating na. I thought you're gonna put that in the crackers.
Yes, sir. Should I put it? Huh? This is our finished product.
Can you have a taste?
I'll taste this one. I will taste this one.
Ouch. Let's have a toast first. Can you give me one also?
Okay. Which one do you like?
I think I want to have this one too.
Ella!
Okay, let's have a toast.
Toast.
Cheers. Okay. How is it? How is it?
Good.
How does it taste? How's the taste? How's the taste? Good. Mmm. Yummy. See what I mean? Now they can eat their own sandwich spread. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell for more notifications. Please like and share my videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.